Toyo is pleased to participate in Vietnam Industrial and Manufacturing Fair 2025, showcasing advanced automation and motion solutions that drive precision, reliability, and innovation in smart manufacturing.
Welcome, valued customers, to the VIMF Bac Ninh 2025 exhibition. I am Trong, representing Toyo Robotics Vietnam. Next to me is Mr. Takeshi, Toyo's global sales representative.
Let me introduce to you the standard single-axis robot line from Toyo, which operates using a ball screw. Both the ball screw and the DIOC are manufactured in-house by Toyo. Next to it is a model designed for use in clean rooms. For the exterior, we can support customers by customizing the color to black. Over here is a larger and longer product. The largest size of this product can reach up to 300 millimeters, with the longest stroke reaching up to 2,600 millimeters. Let me introduce to you this pre-programmed motion robot with a linear motor. Next is the traditional motion type using a bowl screw. Both of these products are designed without the use of traditional threaded holes, making their size much smaller and more compact. Next, this is the motion type using a timing belt. Next is Toyo's latest special product, quick shifter. We welcome our valued customers to visit Toyo's booth at the VIMF Bac Ninh 2025 exhibition from November 5th to 7th at booth number 337. Thank you very much.
Hello, I am Cho Chang Hwan from Toyo Robotics Korea. We are currently participating in the 2025 Vietnam Industrial and Manufacturing Fair. The 2025 Vietnam Industrial and Manufacturing Fair, VIMF, in Bac Ninh, we are participating in this time, is a leading automation and manufacturing exhibition representing the northern region of Vietnam. Toyo is showcasing its latest automation products and solutions here. The product you see here is our standard type ball screw actuator, which is manufactured in a more compact size by producing the ball screw and nut in-house. And the product you see in the front is also our standard type ball screw actuator, and currently we manufacture the entire ball screw and nut ourselves. And the product you see in the front, starting from the very top, is currently a linear motor type product, and below that is our standard actuator product with a built-in rail. Also over here you can see that we have our veggie type product prepared, and on this side our pitch changer KPM series is also on display. Going forward, Toyo will continue to do our utmost, not just for simple automation, but to further enhance our customers' productivity and efficiency. The exhibition will be held from November 5th to 7th, and Toyo is located at booth number 337. We kindly ask for your continued interest and support. Thank you.
Welcome, valued customers, to the VIMF Bac Ninh 2025 exhibition. I am Trong, representing Toyo Robotics Vietnam at this exhibition. We at Toyo Automation are collaborating with our distributor CFT as well as another major client, Mako Automation. Hello, valued customers. Let me introduce myself. I am Dung, General Director of CFT Shop. We are CFT Shop, the distributor of Toyo robots in the Vietnamese market. Hello everyone, I am Khan, an engineer at Mako Automation. Let's explore the product together.
Hello, valued customers. With our philosophy of symbiosis, together with internationally standardized machine manufacturers, we bring you high-quality, single-axis robot and automation products from Toyo Robot. Next to me here is the AGV machine from Phenica, which uses a single-axis robot from Toyo. In front of you here is the sliding and pushing type electric actuator system, which uses motors and controllers from Toyo. Next to me here is the standard electric actuator system. Next, I would like to introduce to you the single-axis robot system using advanced motion technology, which is manufactured by us. Next, I would like to introduce, this is the loader machine line from the machine manufacturer Mako Automation, which uses a single-axis system for the purpose of input circuit board loading. Now, I would like to introduce the engineer from Mako Automation, who will share with you his impressions after a period of using the Toyo robot product line. Please welcome him.
Hello everyone, I'm Khan, an engineer at Mako Automation. After some time using the Toyo Axis system on our automation machines, I feel that the Toyo Axis system is precise, stable, and has a high load capacity. Yes, with this machine, this is our anodizing machine. The Toyo Axis system helps pick up the PCB sheets and place them into the tray, and one axis will move both the tray and the PCB out.
Thank you to all our visitors and partners for joining Toyo at the Vietnam Industrial and Manufacturing Fair.